Candlesticks. This is June 5th, 2013. This is our free video for today. First, I want to remind Hit and Run Candlestick members tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern, 1973 Hog will be presenting. Hope to see you all there. Today, let's just take a look at VXX, and then we'll take a quick peek at the SPY. VXX, you can see that it's here. Let's draw a line here from this top. Let's go over here to this top and just bring it on down. You can see that we've now broken out of that downtrend. You can also see a nice little double bottom in here where we've rallied up, failed to 50, 34, pulled back, put in a double bottom, and now we're starting to move up. This is also a rounded bottom breakout right in here that we look for, one of our chart patterns that we look for. And I would have to say right now the targets, the recent swing highs, we'll just put a few marks up there for those recent swing highs. And if we can get to this one, what is this, 25, probably $27, $28 here, we're more than likely going to reach up and tag the 200. I don't think it's going to move up in a straight line. I certainly don't think it's going to do that. It's more like something like this, and then you know, up and back, typical chart fashion. Now, of course, that is on weakness of the market, and that is assuming that the candlesticks and price action, investor sentiment, still leads this chart up. Now let's go take a look at SPY real quick. The SPY's certainly been in a downtrend, short-term downtrend. There's no doubt that the bulls still control the primary trend, the overall, the larger trend here. But as you can see, we're trading down below the T line for the last, what is it, 9, 10 days? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Last 4 days, and we've been sloppy for another 4 or 5 days up here. I think it's very likely and very probable that we see the 50-day simple tomorrow, at least for a low. Now we could definitely see a bounce off the 50. That would be a very common area to see a bounce, and that would we might see some sort of a bullish candle or bullish pattern start to lift off that area, maybe off this lower trend line as well. What we're going to need to see is this bullishness continue, and it's very tradable if this was to happen up to about this area right in here, about 165, pretty much the 20-day simple moving average. And what I would be afraid of at this point is we move up like this, and then let's see here, there we go. We put in a top up there, some sort of a sell signal, run into this a resistant area, and then we just head back down. That's what I would be afraid of that's going to happen right here. So we're at a real pivotal area. Again, there's no question that the primary trend is up. The short-term bears have control right now, and the question is here, are the bears going to reach out and take a little more control and beat up on the primary trend, or the bulls are going to come back in and not only bounce up, but are they going to continue up, or are we going to see that see the bears take control here and move down? Okay, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Again, this is Rick at hitrun-candlesticks.com, and hope to see you this evening in our webinar tonight. Good night.